watching I'm Zoe. Hold on, let me pause him. I'm over here watching I Am Zoe. Um, that's one of my favorite people to watch on YouTube. But I did get my HelloFresh box today, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing so you guys can see what I got, and I'll drop the link so that you guys can get your box if you want one down below in the comments in the description. And if you guys remember when we was talking about the PCOS thing, I was telling you guys that I've been trying to stop eating out as much. And so we've been enjoying the HelloFresh meals. They allow us to have some variety from stuff that we normally make and stuff like that. Just different flavors, different recipes. All right, so I'm going to show y'all what I got in the box for this week. All right. So let me cover my address. I don't know if y'all can see the box. This is how it comes. Honestly, I don't even remember what I ordered because I be ordering my stuff so far in advance now that I can't even tell y'all. So let's see. I never noticed that they have like instructions on the box too. Now this is not no stuff I ordered. Now this is the first time this happened. I'm gonna have to go back and check. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go back and check because I definitely don't recall ordering this stuff. But I'm gonna show y'all anyway. And I'll come back and let y'all know if I ordered this, but I definitely don't remember that. So, T-Pain spicy garlic chicken sandwich, which my husband don't care, he'll still eat it. But I definitely don't order stuff like this. And scallion pork. Oh, I know I didn't order no pork because we don't even eat that. Wow. Well, this is my first unboxing with them on video, and so I guess they make mistakes because, child, this is not my box. My name and address on it. It's not the stuff I ordered, though. I'm not even gonna lie. And then it usually just comes in these little packs. We have all the ingredients and the ice packs in here. So you put the meat. Oh, it say I ordered chicken for both, so I might have ordered it because I never ordered no pork. And we don't get that much food because it's just the two of us. That's it. They ain't put no bonus stuff in here this time. But I'm getting ready to check and see if this is actually what I ordered and put this food away. And I'll let you guys know what, what's what. I might have ordered it. Since both of them are chicken, I'll let y'all know what. If you guys want to order your own box, I'll be putting a link down below so you can check them out. All right, y'all. Hey, good morning. You know what I wanted to say? That last clip when I was talking about the HelloFresh stuff, I actually went back on there and I did order the stuff that was on there. I guess what caught me off guard was one thing saying pork, but I was able to choose chicken. And the other one had so many carrots. And I know my husband hates those carrots and stuff. So I was like, man, maybe I didn't even order this, but obviously I did. But anywho, I am up getting ready for the gym. This is normally what I do on my days off because I do still work a part-time job. On my days off, I'm normally up going to the gym, taking care of other things. I'm going to do a day in the life one day for the travel agent portion for like the days when I work my business and stuff. But I wanted to tell you guys that I'm gonna come back because I got something else I need to say too. All right. For real, y'all, I really need to work on these camera angles. But so like I was saying, I'm headed to the gym. I'm also going to do a try-on haul. I think I mentioned that before. For my little like workout outfits that I be wearing. Y'all can probably see it. But I wanted to say that by the time y'all see this mini vlog, that my PCOS video will be uploaded. And so I don't know, like it took a lot for me to do that video. I was very much nervous, but I felt like it was a bigger reason than myself that I did the video. I was doing a video more for PCOS awareness and for other people. And so sometimes, you know, like we have stories that will help other people, but we sit on them. So it was just me being transparent about my life, about things that I've gone through with my PCOS, and just trying to be helpful for other people. But like I said, right now I'm about to go to the gym. I'm going to go do some fasted cardio. That was something that I mentioned before. So, but yeah, you guys stay tuned for the try-on haul that I'll be posting, and I'll be back. All right, so I'm sitting here right now. I'm finally home. Did a little bit of running around today to get some personal things. Went to the gym. Had a day date with my husband. Taco day date. I'm just home now. I'm getting ready to do some edits, and then I'm working on a booking for a client who wants to go to Jamaica, or she's interested in the cruise. We're gonna figure it out. But just wanted to check in. I actually got some mail here that I want to open up and just do a little bit of chit chat. But yeah, so that's basically what I'm working on. And I guess we could just talk. I'm gonna open this package right here. I had ordered this shirt from a girl on Facebook. Her name is Tristan, and when the Barbie movie came out, she had posted like some Barbie shirts. So I ordered this shirt from her. I'm gonna show it to y'all so y'all can see if y'all like it. If y'all like it, then y'all can message me and I can give y'all her information. But yeah, it's cute. It's cute. Cute. It's just a little. It's cute. I like it. I'm gonna just throw it on with some camo pants or some biker shorts or something cute and simple. I like that. But yeah. So on another note, I wanted to talk about. I've been seeing like a lot of people posting online about like either losing jobs, trying to find a job, or something going on with jobs. And it's just so funny because I was just talking to my husband, and even though I have my business, I still work part-time. But I was telling him like I had really got to a point in my life where I got tired of asking people for a job. I truly believe that in this day and time that having multiple streams of income is so important. Not just two people in a household just working, having a job, but having other things that you do that yield you income as well, like investments, like side hustles or whatever the case may be, like businesses, anything that is passive income, because we live in a day and time where just one income or two income households is not enough. you have to do more. So there's been times that I come home from work and I come from work and go straight into working my business. But yeah, it's definitely something that's important. I highly recommend. People think that, you know, um, multiple streams of income means just going out getting 2 and 3 jobs. No, you need to be investing your money. You need to be making passive income some kind of way, and you need to have something else in addition to just having a job, because a job is definitely not enough. So that was just something that was on my mind, and it's also the reason why I started my business. It's also the reason why I help other people start their businesses, because then you have more options. If I was to lose my job today or tomorrow, I can still do my business. I still have investments that I'm making. Same thing with people that are on my team. If they were to lose their job today or tomorrow, they also have that income coming in. And you just never know when you will need to have that additional source of income, because things happen so quick sometimes that you just don't know. Jobs lay people off. It's crazy. So that was just some thoughts that I had, and I wanted to share that. I am going to be doing, I think I mentioned this already, that I'm going to be doing a clothing haul. So I just got some more stuff in. So I'll be doing that as well. I ordered more fitness clothes, of course, because I definitely feel like having cute clothes on for the gym makes you feel much better about going to the gym. Girl, go put that cute outfit on and go work out, and you will feel so much better about yourself. So I have some of that stuff here. And I ordered some stuff for my cruise. So I'll be doing, I think I'm going to do 2 Shein hauls and just show y'all some of the stuff that I ordered. I got a few things in here. I can't even remember everything that I ordered, but I remember ordering this. Definitely going to be trying that on so y'all can see it. I don't know what else I got here. And this little orange outfit. I'm not gonna show y'all yet because I want y'all to see it during the haul. I don't even know what I ordered. I definitely got some nails. Remember I told y'all I'll be doing these, ordering these nails. These are really, really cute. Like, this is my first time ordering press-ons from Shein. I normally get my press-ons from Amazon, and they're usually pretty good. These actually look good, like look sturdy and everything. So that's that. I ordered like some little earrings. I thought I already got these upstairs. I don't know how I ordered these again. These little things, they're cute. And I think this is a necklace. You can't really see it, so y'all will see this stuff. But yeah, all right, y'all stay tuned. I'm just coming from the gym and I'm getting ready to wrap up this vlog, but what I wanted to say is I put together like a care package for my clients. They're going to Aruba for their honeymoon. They just got married and they're loyal clients. They're always like booking with me, referring people to me. So I wanted to do something to show gratitude. So I put together a care package for them for their trip to Aruba. And so I'm going to add that clip in here so you guys can see that. Just a little something that I like to do within my business to just show gratitude to people and to be different. So you guys stay tuned for that clip. And thank you. Make sure you guys go ahead and share this video. subscribe, smash that subscribe button, and go ahead and leave me a comment down below. And you guys stay tuned for the next video. I'll catch y'all later.